Welcome to your new American dream. I am here live at my brand new listing in Avondale, amazing community and called the Luria Ranch. And I have a pretty incredible listing with a pool for your hot summer and super summer to enjoy. And I want to give you a sneak preview of this listing. It will be available for showings probably tonight or tomorrow. So you are here for a treat to see around and to decide if that your dream that you need to make a realty. So let's start the tour. Here we are. You have plenty of vaulted ceilings, cathedral ceilings. Very easy to maintain flooring between laminate and tiles. Open floor plan with a dining area. Plenty of cabinets and counters for preparation and enjoyment of your delicious meals or entertainment. Then also with laminate flooring or office for your privacy with French door or potentially fourth bedroom. Tiles. This is a split floor plan for your privacy. The master bedroom is separated from the other two bedrooms and the den. You have laminate flooring in the master and tiles in your bathroom. It's separate tub and shower with double sinks. Walk-in closet. Let me show you a little bit more. Let's go and see this exciting future for your entertainment, and it's great exposure actually because it's a north exposure. So this is the pool. And you have the pavers that goes up to the gate. So let's end in the kitchen area, and the rest of the home is on that side with the hallway, 2 bedrooms. And extra. So that's the my brand new listing that I would love you to see before someone else make it their new home. Any questions, feel free to post in the comments, and I'm happy to assist you. And also you can reach me directly at 623-313-7775. I'm Violeta Cabusta, your real estate marketing consultant with Realty One Group, where I'm on a journey to fulfill and transfer American dream of homeownerships for years. Thank you.